Hi Miguel, this is Rachel. Thanks for clicking on this video. So we're just going to briefly go over a couple of things we can do with your website here. It's going to help boost your rankings, start having the internet bring you some more business. This information is really going to give you some different opportunities. Maybe you want to expand your company. Maybe you want to start working on it versus in it. So the possibilities are kind of endless here. So let's get started. I've got your website up. I really like your name right up here at the top. You've got a call to action right here and click to call, your phone number readily available right there. That's really great. I do like that we've got service pages here, some about us, testimonials, your contact information, a gallery, and a blog also. So as we come down, we've got a little bit more info about you guys here. What you can do, because we've got a little bit about your services, you can also do some fun little like widgets or something here for your services, things that clients can just easily click on. It'll take them to the page. You can also add that there. Maybe a little bit about you guys here, some of your pictures, a little bit more about you guys, some testimonials here. That's always great to have on the home page. Free estimate, your contact information again, different ways for your clients to connect with you on social media. That's always great too. Yeah, so this looks really nice. It's very clean, very crisp. I like that. But what Google really cares about is content, and they want to see you sitting at about a 1,500 to 2,000 word mark. Now this can depend too on where your competitors are sitting at with content on their homepage, but that content needs to be quality content. And within that content, you want to have some buyer intent keywords sprinkled throughout it. So one of those buyer intent keywords could be something like Painter Dallas. That's what I use to look up some of the top competitors in your area. We'll go into that in a minute here. But something like this isn't on your homepage at all, and that could be simply added by Miguel's painting, the painter Dallas loves. You can add something like that in there. Or we'll look into some other keywords that you do currently have. But Google sends crawlers through your website when customers are searching for things within Google. And if you have those keywords that are matching what those people are searching for, Google's going to start to bring your website up higher so that people can find you and get the services that they need met. And so I pulled up one of the top competitors, Dallas Paints, and just to show you, they kind of got the same sort of layout. They're click to call, call to action, get an estimate here, but as you scroll down, you see how much content they have on this home page. That's exactly what we want. Now, I don't know how many keywords they have sprinkled throughout it or what they might be, but again, that content's really what we want. Now, the next thing that we're going to hit on here is some backlinks. And this is a tool I use to check backlinks. It's called Ahrefs. So we're going to start right here with your UR and DR. Your UR is your trust rating, your DR is your power rating. We want these numbers to be much higher, and we want them to be pretty close. So they're pretty close now, but we want them to be way higher. Now these are influenced by their backlinks. The backlinks just come from these referring domains, and a backlink is just a shout out from another website. Google's similar to a popularity contest. They just want to know that you're trustworthy and relevant. So it's important that these backlinks are also trustworthy and relevant. The fact that these numbers are so low and you have quite a few backlinks lets us know that these backlinks are either not relevant, not powerful, or not trustworthy. So we want to get these updated to ones that fit those categories so that you can start ranking higher. Now it looks like you got 17 keywords here, which is good. I did search a couple of these on your homepage and they're not listed on there, so these are keywords that we can easily get sprinkled into that homepage within that content for sure. And then I also put this Dallas Paints into Ahrefs as well. So as we can see, their UR and DR rating are much higher. They're much closer. They've got many more backlinks, and this is kind of letting us know that these backlinks are pretty relevant and trustworthy, and they might continue to grow as well, or I mean they're going to be adding more too. So they've got a lot more keywords, and you can explore their keywords too. House painting isn't super buyer intent because it doesn't have your city, so you just want to watch out for stuff like that. It's not necessarily buyer intent. You don't really want to be ranking for those kinds of things because it's not going to bring you in leads. each month, but you can explore the different keywords that they have. Get yourself some of those keywords too. Now, the next thing that we're going to hit on here really quick is this area right here, local map pack, or the Google My Business. So how we get ranked here is by having this Google business profile. So we want to have it filled out all the way. We want to have reviews, our address, our hours. It's great that we've got some questions on here. You definitely want to up these reviews. So there are different ways that you can start asking clients for more reviews and getting those added on here. So that's a good way to help boost you up there. You can up this content and you can sprinkle keywords throughout this as well. And then of course we want to have pictures. We want to have about 25 pictures. More is even better. Make sure they're geo-tagged the right way. Save them as those buyer intent keywords before you upload them on here. And then one of the more important ways to get ranked up here is having citations. So a citation is just your business's name, address, and phone number listed in a directory. And those directories include things like Facebook, Yelp, Yellow Pages, Angie's List, that kind of stuff. So what I would do is find where my top competitors are listed, what directories they're in, get myself added to those exact same ones, and then go above and beyond that. If they're in 150, I'm going to get myself added to 200, maybe 250, really blow them out of the water. So just a quick recap here. We want to up this content by a lot. We want to sprinkle in those buyer intent keywords. We want to reevaluate our backlinks and make sure that we're getting trustworthy, relevant, powerful backlinks that are actually going to help us rank. We want to increase our keywords for sure. These tricks are going to help us start to rank organically, which is in this area right down here. You want to be in that first, second, or third position. Then we want to optimize that Google business profile, get our citation out there, and then we're going to start to rank in this top area right here. So that's all I've got for you, Miguel. I hope that this was helpful, and I really look forward to hearing your feedback. Thanks.